Ladies and gentlemen, what if I told you there's a vintage Chevy truck out there with a hood ornament that literally breathes fire? And no, I haven't been drinking. Yet. I once watched my buddy Timmy try to tow a camper with a compact sedan. The only thing he successfully pulled was a muscle. Now, if Timmy had been smart, or at least less stubborn, he'd have waited for a beast like the 1968 Chevrolet C20 Longhorn with a Franklin slide-in camper. Because this rig isn't just built for the road, it's the road's final boss. And yes, it breathes fire. Literally. There's a propane torch in the hood ornament. I believe this thing was built by someone who watched Mad Max and said, "Hold my beer." This one of 1902 Longhorn came factory-equipped with a 396 CI 6.5-liter L66 V8 and a new process 4-speed manual transmission, sending power to a Dana 60 rear axle with a 3.54-to-1 differential. I liked the most that the hood ornament is plumbed to spit fire using CO2 and propane, while the dual exhaust also shoots flames. That's not just flair, it's intimidation on wheels. The engine was rebuilt in 2010 with fresh rings, seals, bearings, valves, and a factory-refurbished Holley carb. Oil and filters? Fresh. Mileage? Under 67,000, 108,000 kilometers. But who's counting when the truck still outruns your neighbor's Tesla in street cred? Finished in white over teal. It sports 16.5-inch steel wheels, Firestone Transforce A tires, and Ride-Rite rear air springs to handle the Franklin 11 FK6 camper out back. The suspension was fully refreshed in 2012. Bushings, shocks, brakes, the works. The truck bed's lined in real wood. Because if you're hauling your house around, you might as well do it with class. Now, the camper, oh boy, extended 6 inches, 15 centimeters to fit snugly into the 8.5-foot, 2.6-meter bed. It boasts a rooftop ladder, propane and water storage, external speakers, and even a black tank leak for character. Inside, we're talking dual sleeping zones, jalousie windows, a kitchenette with 4-burner stove, sink, 30-gallon, 113-liter freshwater tank, compressed air plumbing, and a shower-lav combo. I think it feels more like a tiny nightclub than an RV, thanks to the JL Audio Bluetooth system and Philips intercom. Plus, the camper wiring, insulation, cabinetry, and paneling were all redone. And there's a dual-bank Pro Mariner battery charger keeping things powered up. Final price: a flaming hot 43,500 USD euro, 40,000 euro, and worth every scorched bug on the grill. Smash that button for more insane vehicles. Trust me, you're not gonna find this level of vintage madness anywhere else.